Open ChatGPT in the browser. Ask ChatGPT to write kids' story of three boys. The story title should be The Lost Gold City, and the story should consist of 5 chapters. ChatGPT will write a short story of 5 chapters, copy the story text and paste it into any Word application. Align your text and bold the chapter's headlines to ease the work. Now document of completed story text is ready with 5 chapters. Now we required a graphic artwork to visualize the story of each chapter. Step 1. Create AI art for each chapter by AI tool. For AI artwork, we will use Midjourney to create AI-generated images as per the chapter story. If you don't know what Midjourney is, how to use it, then watch the video of Midjourney and its link is provided in the description. Chapter 1 is The Mysterious Map, where 3 boys found an old map in the park. Now write the command in Midjourney according to the words, 3 boys, old map, found in the park with other words, and now AI will generate the art image as per the given command. Select the image and download it. Now generate the art image for the second chapter, The Jungle Journey. This chapter shows the journey of 3 kids in the jungle climbing hills. Write the command in Midjourney with words, 3 kids, jungle, map, mountain, and climbing. AI-generated images will be appeared according to the command. Select your image, upscale it, and save it. Similarly, create AI images for the rest of the chapters according to the story visuals and save and organize all AI images in the folder. Step 2. Creating and editing storybook. We have all material for the storybook as text and images. We will use another online tool, canva.com, for creating and editing storybook with no graphics skills required. Open canva.com in the browser and login. Search for the storybook template and create a new blank storybook project. Upload all AI-generated images from the folder to Canva and drag the first chapter image to the first blank page and adjust the size of the image. Select the text tool at the left side and select the font style for a chapter heading. Copy the first chapter heading from the Word document and paste into the Canva heading. Adjust the size color of font and click on Effect to change the outline. Now for the chapter storyline, choose the text box from the left and drag to the page. Copy and paste the storyline from the Word document into the Canva page. Adjust the size, position and style of the storylines. Now we have completed the editing of the first chapter. Add a second blank page on Canva and repeat the same task for the second chapter from the image, chapter headline to the chapter storyline. Complete all 5 chapters on Canva. After completing all chapters, also edit the title page of the story on the first page of Canva. Click on the Share button on the right side and download the storybook as PDF. Review the storybook and now you are ready to make, print or publish it. For publishing the storybook, watch upcoming video and subscribe the channel.